Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are doing really good. And first of all, let me know in the comment section that how are your preparations going on for your upcoming attempt, whether you are on track or whether you are going a little bit off track. So in this video, I'm going to pick up a very important topic. Just give me 2 minutes, listen to this video for 2 to 3 minutes, and that is going to really help you for your exam attempt, right? That how you are going to attempt your paper. Regarding that, this is a very important perspective video, right? And if you like it, do like this video, share with all your friends and subscribe to this channel. Okay, so this is a very common question that I often come across from the students that, sir, we have heard that if you want to score good marks in the examination, in CA examination, in CMA examination, it is very important to write 100% of the paper, that your attempt should be 100%, each and every question should be attempted, only then you will be able to score good marks. So this is a very common thing that you might have heard, right? Let me know if you have heard about like this. Now listen to it, very important perspective here. Yes, it is important that you should try to attempt 100% of the paper, but the second part that I am going to say is very important, sir. But in lieu of completing the paper, you should not be committing the common mistakes. The answer which you know very well, right? You might commit a mistake in that particular answer. Why? Because you are under too much of the pressure of completion of the paper. अगर आपके ऊपर प्रेशर है कि पेपर कंप्लीट करना है, पेपर कंप्लीट करना है, पेपर कंप्लीट करना है, तो आता हुआ पेपर भी जो बहुत अच्छे से आपको सॉल्यूशन आता है, यू आर राइटिंग इट वेरी वेल, आप वहां पे गलती कराओगे. सो यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू अटेम्प्ट 100% ऑफ द पेपर, बट most important is whatever you are writing at that particular moment, it should be correct. It should not be having too much of mistakes. Otherwise, what will happen, sir, whatever the marks you were to score, you will lose out on that also, right? So it is really important, sir. Along with 100% attempt, the most important thing is whatever you are writing, that should be correct. That should not be having the silly mistakes, the calculation mistakes, because this is a very common thing that I have seen people committing. Students, they are in a hurry. We want to complete 100% of the paper. Okay, that's good. You want to complete 100% of the paper, but that doesn't mean that you should be committing the silly mistakes. Then anyhow, you are not going to get marks, right? If you say that if we complete 100% of the paper, we will get marks, but you are committing the silly mistakes, anyhow you are not going to get marks. So make sure that whatever you are writing in the examination, that should be correct. That should not be having too many mistakes. Then even if you will attempt 80-85 marks, you will get very good marks. You can score 80 plus. I have seen students attempting for 70 marks and getting 60 plus, right? So what is most important is whatever you write that correct. Write that correct. That's really the most important thing. So it's a perspective. Do not rush into the things. Stay calm. Write down whatever you are writing. Focus on that particular thing. Your focus should be on your answer, whatever you are writing at that particular point of time, right? So that's a small tip for your attempt that I wanted to share with you, because a few students have been asking me this in the last few days. So thought of sharing with everyone. And if you like it, please do share with all your friends. Thank you guys. All the best for your attempt. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep studying, keep sharing. Thank you so much.